It's your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Friday. Okay, guys, so right now I am about to, oh my goodness, do one of my lifelong dreams. I am on the PR list for Kevin Aucoin. I cannot believe it. I am so stoked. Honestly, it is a dream come true. I never thought I would get on there, and it just means the world to me. So I have to thank Octoly for it, obviously. But before we get into this amazing review tutorial, because I'm going to try on all the products for you guys. If you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, 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 ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways on this channel, and right now I do not have a giveaway going on, but my post office will be opening back up on Monday, and on Sunday I will be having a Mother's Day giveaway. I am so pumped. I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm giving you guys. Okay, so let's get into this amazing review. Okay, so guys, I do apologize if I'm a little stuffy. My allergies are kind of kicking my butt this morning. But real quick, I just want to, the glow is ridiculous. I'm not exactly sure if it's because of the sun, if it's because I've been leaving products off my face, but I've actually not put nothing on my face this week, guys, except like moisturizer and a mask and stuff like that. Other than that, I haven't. So putting highlighter and blush on my face right now is going to be the first in a while, and I'm excited to do it for you guys. So Octoly, if you guys do not know, it is a PR company. Basically, it provides you a little shopping store, and you get 5 credits, and you have to give honest reviews, opinions, and how you feel. Do a tutorial for them. And guys, I tried to get on Octoly, as I said in my other videos, for 3 years, and third was the charm. And I got on, and I'm so happy, and I love Octoly so much. So thank you, Octoly, for letting me be part of your family. And guys, I'm gonna leave the link if you like to sign up for Octoly. Just keep trying. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. Of course, there are credentials that you have to have. I believe you have to have at least 5,000 subscribers. I'm not exactly sure how that all goes, but definitely just check it out. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, but I don't want to give you guys the wrong answers. Okay, so the first thing so I have 3. I have 3 products right here from Kevin Aucoin. And what's so crazy is that I've actually tried to get on Kevin Aucoin's 3 times. And I couldn't get on. I wanted the blush. I got the blush now. I wanted the bronzer. I still was denied the bronzer. I don't get that. But I got the Glass Glow Face Illuminating. And I got the Foundation Balm in Light. So I don't know if that's going to work for me, but we're going to just try it all out. So I'm going to tell you the prices of these things. Plus, Kevin Aucoin is from heaven. He is grazing us with a Mother's Day sale for all mothers right now. His whole site is 30% off. Go check it out. I'm going to leave his link in the description box below. And again, I want to thank Kevin Aucoin for complimentary giving me these as a review for y'all. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to review, obviously, is going to be the Foundation Tint Balm, because we're going to try to get some of this glow off my face. So this values, hold on a second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had to sneeze. Okay, so this foundation values at $52. Honey, this is the creme de la creme. So I'm so excited to try this. I've never ever tried a foundation balm, let alone a foundation this expensive. Ooh, Kevin provides the brush. We like that, honey. So, I feel fancy. I feel fancy, and I look crazy. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like right here, and I got it in light. Ooh, it's made in Italy. Ooh, what is, mwah. I can't think of a word in Italy. This actually looks like it's gonna work for me. It's gonna be a little dark, but that's okay because I'm tan right now. So I just want to see if there's any, let's see here. There's a lot of different shades you could choose from. And I just want to see if it gives me any, anything just instructions wise. Not really. I don't speak French. Okay. Well, let's get into this bad boy. Okay. So it says Kevin Aucoin Foundation Balm. Oh. So, okay. So it's like a it's like wax kind of, I guess. Kind of like a cream foundation. And he provided the brush. Oh, this is a nice brush. And it says Kevin Aucoin on the handle. And let's give it a whirl. Oh, it picks up nicely on the brush. Okay. So just dab in there and... Huh. Okay. So it's a little too light. Oh my goodness. It's a little light. Well, I don't know. We'll make it work. I guess I should have gone up it looked dark though. And there, on the Octoly website, it wasn't all the tints you could choose from. So I think I went with the lightest one without going like ghost. So this is with it and this is without it. I want to start showing you guys with and without. So I don't know. It's definitely light. It does feel like I'm not putting anything on my face. It's not heavy at all. So I appreciate that, but I kind of do wish, and it is like a matte and it's getting rid of that glow. But again, I wish that, I'm just going to do my nose. I wish that I got it a little bit darker. So I think we can make it work. I mean, you guys know I bronze my skin all the time anyways, so pretty sure we can make this work. I do have to go out later and go get the puppy a dog cage. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and finish my face. But guys, I have an update coming up soon on my channel of my crime case that you guys asked for. So be on the lookout for that. And I like this. Actually, you know what? I do like this. It's just a little light. You would think that it would feel heavy. You know what I mean? You would think that it would feel heavy because of it being a cream foundation. But it's not. It's actually really light. My mom would love something like this. Okay, so I totally just killed my tan, but that's okay. We're making it work. I do like it. I really do. For $52, I definitely think that it's worth it. I mean, obviously, I wasn't prepared to do my whole face, but I love the fact that you could just do your whole face with this one brush. I do appreciate that. So, and no, I guess it's not like a matte foundation because as you guys can see, I mean, I didn't wash my face this morning, shame on me, but as you guys can see, I still have a glow to my face. So, okay, well, I like it and I'm going to continue to work with it. So, awesome. Thank you again, Kevin Aucoin. Okay, oh shoot. Do we go on or we don't go on? Boy, you can do this all day. Okay. All right. Next is going to be a blush. And I am so pumped. I've been wanting this blush. Now, this value's at $32. And you have multiple colors. And with it being the summer, baby, I am bringing out the pinks, honey. I look like a ghost. We're gonna fix this. Okay, so right now out of packaging, oh mamacita, I love it. I love the two-tone like sparkle holographic-iness. Love it. Oh, and this is the blush that I went for. Now he does have darker ones. I went with the second darkest, I guess. Well, I didn't go with the darkest. I went with the second to the darkest. You know what I'm trying to say. So I don't even want to swatch it. I just want to get into it because I want to use both colors mixed together. And I'm so pumped. Okay. So let's get a blush brush. Is this clean? I think it's clean. Okay. Was it a clean brush? Ah, no. I don't think it was clean. Shoot. When in doubt, blend out. I don't think that was a clean brush. Okay. I got that off. Okay. All right, let me get another brush. Here we go. This is pretty. Okay, and this is the Beauty Creations brushes that I got. Ooh, okay. Look at that pickup. And now it has a shimmer to it as well. Ooh, it's a very natural blush. So for people that don't like to use blush, which I love using blush, this really is not for me because I love my stuff to really stand out. But this is such a beautiful, actually, you know what? Okay. So it is for me. I'll tell you that now, but because it looks so flawless, but I would want it darker. And I keep on trying to build it up and it's just staying still. But the glitter, I am keeping it, especially for the glitter, because the glitter is so beautiful. But maybe it's my lighting. Maybe I am packing on way too much. I don't know, but I am hooked. Oh my God. Okay, on the nose. Oh, okay. Okay. I am experiencing what it's like now to try expensive makeup. I see why we get expensive makeup now. Holy crap. Okay, so I would never in a million years buy a $32 blush, but wow, gorgeous. My cheekbones are flawless right now. Ooh, honey. Okay. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Octoly. Okay. Love this. Last but not least, and I want to just make sure I get the right price on this. I believe it is $32 as well. Oh, goodness. Yes, it is $32 as well. And this is the Glass Glow Face Illuminating. And this is a highlighter. And, well, yeah, we're gonna glow. We're gonna glow. And look at how much you get. And it comes in a little pump. So, oh my goodness. There was different colors you could choose from. But I wanted to go with... I wanted to go with Pow. So what did I say the color was in? Crystal clear. Okay. Here goes nothing. Okay. I know what I need. I need a brush that is firm. Okay, perfect. Okay. Are we ready? I don't have my beauty blender nearby, so we couldn't go in with the beauty blender. But we're going in. So I'll go ahead and say this now. I don't really use illuminators. If I get an illuminator, I use it as a highlighter. And that's what I'm doing here. And oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is, oh my goodness. Okay, so like definitely on like my birthday and stuff like that. Because you know my birthday's coming up next month. This is what you wear. Oh, like all over like your décolletage area. And oh, honey, this is so pretty. I am hooked. I am glowing like a gorgeous goddess. All that's missing is bronzer, and we'll take care of that as soon as I get off this video. Oh, honey. Do we like? Do we love? I'm in love with it. Oh my goodness. Kevin Aucoin, I am going to try again to get your bronzer, and I hope I can get it because I want all your products. And guys, do not forget, I'm leaving the link to Kevin Aucoin's website in the description box below. Please make sure you click on it. Treat yourself for Mother's Day. 30% off of this gorgeousness. Woo! Yes, please. Okay. So that was my review. That was my Kevin Aucoin, my PR for Octoly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.